So perfect timing. Ooh, batteries. I'm full of batteries. I really need to find the bloody flashlight. I know it's somewhere. Female golf balls. Another pot. There's the burner that we can't use. Oh, there's two pots. Hey, throw a spear at the burner and see if it explodes. I want to see. Is that what happened earlier? We must know. Oh, yep.
That also ate the spear. I didn't even see it.
That was perfect. Oh, solar panel. Oh, I'm full. Somebody pick that up.
I ain't.
Yes. We want to keep all the solar panels possible. We need lighting.
I only have 4 of them.
Nice little camping site.